This is Himalayan handmade crafted fish shaped salt lamp, handmade from pure Himalayan rock salt, and it is perfectly carved the fish shape as you can see the detailing, and I'm showing it to you here. It is safely covered with this wood base, so more protected. So when you will plug into this USB will automatically switch colors between pink and then slowly to the green color, so and then slowly moving to the color into blue and then purple. So the good thing, it keep changing the colors which make it more attractive and more beautiful. And if you also want to have this at your home, so for that you can go to our website www.simcoimpact.com.